Hey everyone, this is Terra from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from somewhere in Asia, guys. We've got Annabelle, the Debbie Downer Bear, and we've got our friend, Mr. Brilliant, the alien. So we've got lots to talk about, everybody. We're gonna be talking about, could we be seeing a Terra Luna Classic going up and surging 570% by the end of the year? Well, some people think so. So we're gonna be talking about that much more. We're gonna be talking about Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki in the house, who's saying that stocks, bonds, and cash is trash. And what does that mean to you? And where should we be putting our money? Where should we be investing? Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. And I'm just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So let's jump into it. Let's get right into it right now. Let's get it, guys. Don't forget to boop the like, smash the likes, and show some love, and subscribe. YB. So yesterday we did see that the markets, the whole markets just got tanked. They got decimated, and we saw that yesterday. We did see a huge bleed out yesterday of over $930 billion was wiped out from the stock market yesterday. So OMG, and it was one of the worst days that we've had in a very long time. And not only did that affect crypto, it also affected broader markets. And one of the main reasons that this was happening, and this is kind of counterintuitive. So yesterday, we did have the unemployment rate falls to 3.5%. In September, payroll rises by 263,000 job as the market is stronger. So, if you just kind of like read this like, what? This is positive? Well, yes, it is positive from a jobs perspective. And, a lot of people said, well, why did the markets tank? This is positive news. Well, in retrospect, it is positive news from the job market's perspective, but this is going to send a very clear message to Jeremy Powell out there. And what he's going to do, he's saying, well, look, obviously my rate hikes are working, and the unemployment rates are less than anticipated. We got more jobs. The economy is looking healthy. So this is really going to, make a situation where Jeremy Powell is just going to continue to increase the rates. So, from that perspective, we could be seeing, 100 basis points coming in our next rate hike session, which is coming pretty soon, I think, by the end of the month. So that is why most of the markets fell, because this positive news basically, tells Jeremy Powell that he's on the right track. Now, remember, the United Nations have kind of sent a little bit of a warning to the U.S. out there and said, look, stop with the rate hike. So, when the unemployment rate fell, we did see that the DXY also went up, guys. So we saw the DXY go up. That is one of the reasons why we saw crypto go down. A lot of traders were, cashing out because they know that Jeremy Powell is just going to be coming back, and he's going to be saying, look, I'm going to increase the rates because this is working. So if you take a look at the crypto bubbles right now, you're seeing that mainly it's red out there, pretty much a Debbie Downer. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down. We're seeing Ethereum is down. We're seeing everything is down, down. We got Annabelle in the house, OMG. So this is also coming in from our Kiyosaki, the Rich Dad, Poor Dad guy. And he's kind of saying that, basically, cash is dead. Stocks and bonds are toast. And he's saying, look, the only big hedge against inflation is going to be Bitcoin, gold, and silver. From my perspective, I prefer the latter, Bitcoin. So, a lot of people are just like, what is going on? The macroeconomic headwinds, everything is just toast out there. And also, we could be seeing that the Fed could be printing more stimulus checks, and that means that, just more money, because it looks like Jeremy Powell, what he wants to do is he wants you out there to go broke, and he's just going to make it harder and harder and everything more expensive out there. And basically, he wants to stop the economy from growing, and he wants to fight inflation by increasing rate hikes. So that is his strategy. I don't think it's going to work. What do you guys think? Smash the likes, comment. Also, too, don't forget we got the key CPI data coming out on the 13th as well, and that's coming out at 8:30 a.m. So that's going to be really telling, and that is absolutely going to tell us which way the market is going. So if we take a look at the crypto markets right now, let me give this a minute to refresh. We are seeing that everything is pretty much down, down. We're seeing that the total market cap is also down about 1.10%, and that's about 947 billion. So, like I said, a ton of stocks got wiped out, and it was a bad day out there. So what else is coming in? We are seeing that right now the daily candle close with a double inside bar DIB pattern is indicating indecisive contraction. So right now for Bitcoin, we're seeing that people actually do not know what is happening. There's this indecisiveness. Traders on Wall Street are selling. They're moving into cash. There's about $90 billion worth of stocks sold, and they're taking more cash positions because you just don't know what the market's going to do, and that's having the same kind of impact on Bitcoin. A lot of people don't know what's going to happen, and but the good news is that Bitcoin is still above $19,000. That is good, guys. The $19,000 is holding, and I still believe that even though we have these turbulent times, we got Putin who's threatening Armageddon with nukes out there, and this is also bad news, guys. So if that happens, Bitcoin, macroeconomic data, that ain't going to mean nothing because we're all going to be worrying about food and water, guys. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but the madman Putin, and he also turned 70, by the way. We're also seeing that right now on the weekly, Bitcoin is still looking green. We got 1 day, 22 hours, so we're going to definitely be closing this week green, so that is pretty good. What's going on for our beloved Dogecoin right now? So Dogecoin is at 0.623 at time of recording. Not too shabby. We haven't actually gone down as much as Bitcoin, and actually we're showing a little bit of a greenness out there. We're up about 0.48%, so that's not too bad. Also, looks like Shibatoshi Nakamoto has just sent a tweet to Elon Musk, and he's saying, look, can you make Dogecoin the default payment on Twitter so a bunch of people will leave? So yeah, I mean, what he's talking about, a bunch of people, if we do make Dogecoin the default payment, and that if you have to verify that you're a human being by sending Dogecoin, well, what that's going to do is that's going to kick out all the bots and all the spammer whammers out there. So that is cool beans. So hopefully the Dogecoin developer is going to get his wish. I hope we get his wish, and we get Dogecoin as being the default payment of Twitter, because that's going to be huge. That's absolutely going to be huge for the space. Going to be huge for definitely Dogecoin out there. So if we take a look at Dogecoin right now, we are. Let me just give this a minute to refresh. La, 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 la. So we are seeing that the Dogecoin on the last 24 hours is down about 1.57%. We're at 0.6244, and our volumes have come down to 303 million, and our market cap is still above 8 billion. So that is good, guys. Absolutely good. We're still in the top spot, absolutely in the top spot. So if you could take a look where Doge is in the top spot, we are right now in number 10. So we've been kind of holding this for a very long time. So let's jump into Luna Classic. What is going on there? And it looks like some people are saying that we could see Terra Luna Classic surge 570% by the year end. So that is cool beans. And they're attributing this surge to the burns, guys. So the cryptocurrency community is seemingly expecting a price of Terra Luna Classic to surge over 570%. And this is presumably due to the 1.2% tax burns and the Binance burns, guys. And don't forget, in 72 hours from now, we're going to have our latest and greatest Binance burn that's going to be released. I think it's going to be more than 5 billion, guys. Absolutely more than 5 billion, because the price is lower, and also the number of days that the burn is happening is longer. So that's going to be cool. So we could be seeing that, by the year end, we could be seeing a 0.01978 per token, and that is up 577%. So that is cool, guys. And this prediction builds on one predicting a 400% rise in October to 0.01457. So if that happens, that is going to be cool beans in the house, guys. Let's get it, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. I would appreciate it. Also, looks like here's how much Luna has been burned in recent days. So we're according to the Luna Burn Tracker Twitter account, and that provides updates daily. Luna Burn sent to the Luna Burn address is only a meager $438. So what we are seeing right now is that a lot of lunatics out there, a lot of people are kind of losing a little bit of interest in Luna Classic since the Binance burn, because a lot of people have come to the realization or conclusion that the Binance burns have not really had a big impact. So there was more expectation than what was delivered, and this is kind of creating some people to be kind of upset, angry, and people just kind of taking a backdoor approach to Luna Classic right now. So if we take a look at Luna Classic, we're seeing that the volume is up 24% at $383 million, and the market cap is down. I mean, what can you do, guys? We just have to weather the storm. But you know, if this 570% boost comes, that's going to be huge. That's going to be fantastic. For Shiba Weeby right now, Shiba Weeby's up again. It's still at 11. It's just kind of going sideways. It's just kind of going ding, 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 crabby walking action out there. So guys and gals, don't forget, you know, with the recent Binance hack out there, get your crypto on a hardware wallet. Do it right now. Secure your crypto, because if you have a hardware wallet, nobody can hack you. It's absolutely safe and secure out there. Let's take a look at what's going on at Ethereum right now. So Ethereum is just at my support line at 1331, and we're just gingerly above that. So we've collapsed back down to our previous support. This whole trend line has been invalidated, so you're out of there. We'll just have to wait and see, guys. Wait and see out there. So that's going to bring this video to a closey wozy. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We got 4,758 followers, and do go and watch my charity video. Doge good only every day. Doing good only every day, guys. So this is where we give back to the people in Thailand. I would appreciate if you go back and watch it. Don't forget to also check out the links below. We got the Dogecoin tippy jar, the tippy jar. I want it. Let's get it, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. I appreciate it. And this is the OG saying, be wonderful, be beautiful, be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.